the LUR ladder, which is listening to real world content, understanding that. So using tools like translators, AI, and all that, and then just repeating those 2 steps. Okay. Going back and then seeing if I understand it. Okay. And listening. This same principle applies to getting better at speaking Spanish, which I like to call the SUR ladder, which is just speaking Spanish. Then when you don't know how to say something in Spanish, you learn how to say it, understand, and then you just repeat those 2 steps, right? Very obvious, right? Very basic principle. You get better at what you do, and so do the thing that you want to get better at. And so that's what I did. All of my attention was only on these 2. It was just on the LUR and SUR ladders, meaning the fluency equation. It was focusing on these 2 skills, okay? Consistency with this is actually key. Even just a few minutes a day beats a super long study session one time, okay? Because the thing is, what happens is you listen, you understand, you repeat, and then the next day you forget that. And so you have to repeat that again and again. And so it's about long term. And by the way, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend joining the Speedy Spanish Hub. It's a free community I created with a bunch of free resources and guides to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And it'll be the first link in the description.